Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend resting and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. The ones that I want you to be thinking about in particular are your eagle eye. That is when we look at our pictures in a book to help us with clues with words. Our second one is our stretchy snake. That's when we look at letters in a word and we stretch them out nice and slow. You can use any of these strategies to help you, but those are our two main ones. Let's try a stretchy snake to help us. So I'll have a go, then you have a go, then we'll say it all together. Ready? Spots. S-p-o-t. You have a go for me? Lovely. Well done. Let's try it one more time together. Spots. S-p-o-t-s. Good job. Well done. So the book that we are going to be looking at today is called Spots. Girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. We all have access to this now, okay? Let's have a read. Spots. Kipper had spots. Biff and Chip had spots too. The doctor came. Stay in bed, she said. Mum had spots. Stay in bed too, said the doctor. Dad looked after everyone. He put the washing out. He went shopping. What a job, said Dad. Everyone got better. Oh no, said Mum. Dad had spots. Now that I have finished reading the book, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind this video and listen to me read it again, or down here there is a play button where Oxford Owl will read it to you. So boys and girls, you should be finished with reading by now and on to your Kahoot. You can access Kahoot by typing kahoot.it into Google, or you can download it from the App Store. So your first quiz pin is 0229108. Press enter. This is what your quiz will look like when you have entered Kahoot. You have 4 questions. Don't forget that it is on a timer, so make sure you've got your thinking caps on. To join the game, enter your name and press OK, go. When you have finished, don't forget to show me or your class teacher a picture to show us you have completed your task. Enjoy and have fun!